Assalamualaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS Home School. This is Sonia Khan Joya, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal Universal School, Monship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an ICT class for the student of 8th class student. And our today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 6-7 discussion. And look at the board student. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 6-7 discussion, and your lecture number is 6. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board student, Class 8, Subject ICT, Chapter 1 and Lesson 6, Healthcare. Health related all technologies are healthcare. On the remarkable changes brought about by the information technology is healthcare. Once the doctor or the quacks would try to treat the patients observing their symptoms. Now the situation has been changed. A doctor, before prescribing any medicine, examines the patient and perfectly diagnoses the disease. Even the information can be preserved in database and can be recollected for future treatment. The doctors need not rely only on prediction to advise the patient any medicine nowadays. Using ICT, doctors can easily select and prescribe medicine. It is not only possible to analyze the diagnostic reports of the patient, but also innovate new healthcare machineries, and that has started in use. The information collected by these machineries is processed perfectly. Now, staying at home, a man can instantly do the work which was impossible to do earlier. This is a picture of a modern telemedicine center ready for neurosurgery. This is the neurosurgery center, and this one is one of the most modern technologies which are added in our healthcare system, and also by the use of information and technology. The number of physicians in our country is not sufficient. Very often it is found that experienced doctors are not available in shanty towns and villages. In future, healthcare facilities will be available almost in all the corners of the country. But as long as we cannot attain that position, information technology will help us. With telemedicine, which is a way of taking physician advice on telephone. What is telemedicine? Telemedicine or telehealth is the distribution of health related and service and information via electronic information and telecommunication technologies. So, telemedicine or telehealth is the service via electronic information and telecommunication technologies. You will be happy hearing that some healthcare centers have some forward with telemedicine facilities. When doctor is now where near, a patient can take the help of telemedicine. As we take treatment from the doctor after being sick, it is also very important to prevent disease. And this is the picture of all the machineries used for treatment are completely information technology oriented. These all are technologies by the completely information technology oriented. By the using of ICT, doctors are now use many modern technologies and use this for their treatment. So everyone should be immunized routinely. You may boast about our achievement in reducing the child mortality rate by immunizing children of our country. Immunizing means vaccine. At that time, many vaccine many vaccines have discovered and reducing the child mortality rate in our country. The program of immunizing becomes successful by using information technology, as the concerned people are making plans and perfectly implementing the projects. This is the picture of position emission tomography machine can take three-dimensional picture of the body by using information technology. In this picture, this machine can take three-dimensional picture of the body. This picture can help to take three-dimensional picture of body at a time by the help or by the using information technology. Treatment concerning matters that seemed to be impossible once are now easily attainable, though it does not mean that we have got everything. Now we can research in a different process. The mystery of genome factor has been solved. Genome factor, this is related to DNA. Okay, this is related to DNA, and genome in the fields of molecular biology and genetics. A genome is all genetic materials of organism, and it consists of DNA. This genome is mainly consists of DNA, and it is in the field of molecular biology and genetical system. Okay, so a radical change is going to be achieved. Now it is possible to remove the exact cause of the disease by successfully detecting it instead of just reducing the symptoms. Not only that, now all the people take medicine of the same generic brand, but in future different medicine will be manufactured for different people as per as their need. In the future, different medicine will manufacture for different people as per as their need, as per as their age, and as per as their different type of treatment. Now surgery is done by the doctor being physically present in the operation theatre. But in future, the surgeon will do surgery staying 1000 miles away by using information technology. At present, many doctors are being physically present in the operation theatre. But in future, by the using of information and technology, the surgeon will do their surgery staying 1000 miles away, and they can surgery their patient by using of information technology. Hope you will contribute to the new world of healthcare in future. We hope that you will contribute to the new world healthcare in future in this system. This is the picture of. It is possible to detect the alive part of the brain from outside by CT scan. By CT scan, it is possible to detect the alive part of the brain. By the CT scan, it is possible to detect the alive part of the brain from outside. This is CT scan. Then lesson 7 research. Lesson 7 research. Our civilization is advancing due to new dimension and research. Due to new dimension and research, our civilization is advancing day by day. Perhaps you have guessed that it has not only been made possible to bring about a change in the field of research, but also a new dimension has been added. Nowadays, no one can think of any research work on any field like literature, art, sociology, mathematics, technology, science, etc. without computer and information technology. To deal with information, it is must to carry out a research work. Information should be collected. It is must to carry out To do a research work, information should be collected, processed, analyzed, and it in the end represented in an orderly manner. To deal with information, first of all, you do carry out a research work. Information will be collected, then processed, then analyzed, then end, and then at last you present in an orderly manner. Research had to do all these works manually in the past, but now they can process everything by computer. At past, all this done by physically, but present now they can process everything by computer. Now they need not worry about processing information. They can now concentrate on research work. You will be encouraged knowing that the research of our country are doing an excellent job in the fields of literature, sociology, economics and other subjects, and all they use for their research. At the present, literature, sociology, economics and many subjects are successfully done their research by the use of computer. Processing computer and information technology plays a very important role in science and technology oriented research. These research work are divided into two parts. So, research work are divided into two parts, theoretical work and practical work. Mainly theoretical work is the research only concentrate on the theoretical part. They have to rely on computer for their work. Theoretical part only they have to rely on the computer. Okay, they have to match the information stored in enormous database information bank to the certain whether the research is on the right bank. So they use information technology. Mainly theoretical work, people use computer or information technology, and they have to gather their information. They have to gather the information. Number 2, practical research. Practical research is done by in the laboratory where machineries are used for experiment. Practical work mainly done in the laboratory. In that practical research physically present and where machineries are used for experiments. Scientists use computers to innovate, run and use machines. Computer is always used to process the data after collecting by a machine. Here is the picture that after experiment in the laboratory, the collected data should be processed in the computer. In a research, after experimenting in the laboratory, the collected data should be processed in the computer. All the collected data should be processed or should be recollected in the computer. The size of computer is smaller than the image of computer that instantly comes to our mind. A small microcontroller. A small microcontroller means FPGA means Field Program Gate Array. Field Program Gate Array and PLA Programmable Logic Array, etc. That work as computers have been innovated. Setting these devices into the machine, those can be made automatic and the whole work of the research is made easier. These two devices, FPGA and PLA, those two devices can make automatic research work, and whole the work of the research is made easier. As network can be used in practical research, the scientists need not stay physically in the laboratory. If a person uses these two devices, a scientist cannot stay physically in the laboratory. They can control the whole work of research being far away from the laboratory. This belongs to virtual laboratory which can be used for practical research and experiment as is done in real laboratory. The example of such laboratory is www.softpedia.com. Softpedia.com is a virtual laboratory. In this laboratory, a scientist need not to stay laboratory physically. He can control his all work by using any remote. Though traditional computers are used for experiment and research, however, sometimes the scientists use powerful computer. This vocabulary: microcontroller, FPGA, PLA. Microcontroller. These microcontroller FPGA, PLA are two devices. These two devices can make research work easier. My dear student, your homework number is 4 and homework number 4 MCQ, 5 MCQ. From these two lessons, lesson 6 and lesson 7, you will to make 5 MCQ. From these two lessons. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. We'll do your exercise and will submit on Saturday. Assalamualaikum.